Hey everyone, so I thought it'd be fun to take the lawnmower out to town and maybe hit up a drive-through and just mess around a little bit and see what happens. So that's what we did. Enjoy the video.
Time. How can I help you?
Y'all want any blueberry biscuits?
Sure.
5 blueberry biscuits.
You said 5?
Yes, please. That'll be it.
It'll be 6:31.
Thank you.
Hey Jared.
It's go time. Well, made it home, didn't get any tickets in town. We did trailer it in, we stayed off all the main roads. Thought that'd be smart. And anyway, sold lawnmower. Stayed together, no parts fell off or nothing bad happened. Went and got us some Bojangles, some blueberry biscuits. And never go to Bojangles, but when we do, we take the lawnmower. So thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.